All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about credit usage and how credits work throughout the platform. Now, I want you to think about credits in a very simple way. One credit equals 1 cent. So as you're spending credits, you're basically spending money in the form of credits. Now, our system is super powerful and we can do many things fully autonomously behind the scenes. And for that, we basically use our credit system. Now, I would say probably 90% of the credits being used inside of your account are very minimal credit base. And I'm talking about things that are like fraction of a pennies, right? Where we're doing complex problem solving or writing copy for your social media posts or checking a specific category for your post. You can see all of these things really happen at a fraction of a penny and they're very minimal. Usually what you want to look at is the actual images. Those are the things that will actually cost credit value. So think about this. If an image, as an example, in your social media posting automation, one credit or 100 credits basically equals one image. And that's basically, think about that, equates to about $1 per image, right? So every time you create an image, it costs about $1, right? Now think about not having to have a graphic designer on staff or trying to do this all on your own. The automation pretty much does it fully autonomously. Also, things like videos. Videos are a little bit more expensive. We use really complex AI models in the background, and they're very good at what they do. But unfortunately, they're just very expensive. So videos, just kind of be cautious about using videos. Videos are more of like a premium feature. Videos will cost $10 per video, okay? So credits are really based on images and videos and then other things that we're doing inside of the platform. Now, you can see your credit history if you just go to your account and you click on settings and you go to credit history. You'll basically be able to see a log of every single credit that's being used inside of the platform. And if you hover over each one of the credits on each line, it'll tell you exactly how it was used. Now, I don't need to freak out or anything. Most of the credit stuff that we use are actually really cheap. I'll give you some averages. Like most small businesses that are generating, let's call it social media post automation, and they're posting every single day on their business, probably are spending about like $30 a month to post on all their social media channels fully autonomously if they're just posting images. Now, if you're adding like one video in maybe every couple of weeks, add another 10 or 20 bucks a month, which is, if you can equate that to what it costs to having a marketing agency do this for you, which would be hundreds or thousands of dollars, or spending the time to do it all on your own, our credit usage is super minimal. So that's how credits work throughout the platform. Also, if you're ever in the platform and you go to, let's say, one of your automations and you go to settings, and let's say I go to images and videos, you'll also see like little helpers throughout the platform that'll basically tell you around how much it costs, like how many credits it would use to use this one specific AI feature. And that'll just give you some help as you're going through the platform. So that's basically to create images and videos and things like that. And then usually the other cost for credits is whenever you run an AI brand intelligence scan. Usually what we've seen some averages, if it really just depends on the size of your website. So if you have a website that's like under 25 pages, it's probably gonna be like $1 or $2 to run the scan. It happens one time, and that allows the AI to learn everything about your business and run a full scan on your website. If your website is larger, let's say it's maybe 100 pages, sometimes we've seen that maybe to go to like, $5 to $10 or something like that. And then if you got like a really big site where it's about 500 pages, that probably might be up to maybe $25 or something like that. But once again, these are very minimal costs for what the AI is actually doing, collecting, learning, and storing in our database, which then we can use across all your marketing channels. So hopefully this helps you understand a little bit about how credits work, how they get deducted, and also where you can find them. You'll be able to see a credit bar right here, which will show you all of your credits. And then once again, you can go inside of settings and go to credit history and see all your credit usage right here. And if you go to the billing tab, if you need more credits at any point because maybe you're generating more posts or more videos, or you're a really active user, or you're adding multiple businesses, which you can do inside of the platform as well, they all share the same credit pool, so you can update your plan from right here within the billing tab. Also, if for whatever reason you're getting close to running out of credits, or if you run out of credits, our system will send you email notifications, and you'll also get some pop-ups inside of the platforms letting you know as well, so you can upgrade as needed. Hopefully that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.